This is Sam. Yeah, she did.
Love 15. I'm kind of ball. I hate you.
Mary's true colors come out.
Words of love. Words of love.
Come on, Sam. I have no idea. I found out what bus I'm on. I talked to Mr. Polino. No.
Oh, that's good, actually.
Me, Morgan, and Deanna are on the same bus.
I hope that all the AP kids are on the same bus.
Okay, love 40.
Miss Munson's like, we're going to study on the way home.
No.
Yep.
Uh-oh. She's rubbing the score in your face. Uh-oh, Mary. This is the point. She could win. Pressure's on. Don't doubt yourself. Well, don't worry. I'm not getting any of your serves on here. Nope. Look at that. See, you at the point.